Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore the arrange function in Tidyverse. So let's get started. Alright, imagine you have a messy dataset and you have to sort it to make sense out of it. That's where the arrange function comes in. It's like magic for organizing your data just the way you want it. Let me show you how it works. First things first, let's load the Tidyverse package. Here's a sample dataset with ID, name, age and marks. Now let's say we want to arrange our data by age from youngest to oldest in increasing order. We'll write arrange by age. Let's see how that works. And there you go, the data is sorted in increasing order of age. Now suppose we want to do the same thing in decreasing order. We just have to modify the code by adding the desc function inside arrange. And there you go. Now age is in decreasing order. You can also sort by multiple columns. For example, if two students have the same age, we can then sort them by their grades. Let's see how to do that. Now you can see the students are sorted by their age and marks. For people with same age, they are sorted in increasing order of their marks. Now let's look at one more example where we want to sort the data by age in ascending order and marks in descending order. We can write arrange age and descending desc function for marks. Now as we can see, for people with same age, the marks are in descending order. And that's it for today's quick tutorial on arrange function in Tidyverse. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more such videos on R. Thanks for watching.